Hi, I'm Hblack and today I'm going to talk about alternating current. But before I get into what alternating current is and how it's created in generators, I have to talk about atoms, nuclei, and electrons. Nuclei and electrons are the basis of every object in existence, be it your monitor or your Crocs. But electrons are usually used to tie nuclei together, which creates molecules like H2O. And the more free electrons an atom has, the better it can conduct electricity or heat. We also classify whether an object is a conductor, semiconductor, or an insulator based on the amount of free electrons it has. This is the reason that very pure water cannot conduct electricity, while salty water can, because the electrons in the salt can travel through the water. So now that we understand conductivity, I'm going to continue on to current. Current's definition is the rate of flow of electric charge past a point. So in a circuit, this is the amount of electrons which pass through a point over a time period. And conventional current is the direction on batteries which goes from the positive to the negative terminal. In a direct current circuit, which is the type used by household electronics and batteries, current is caused by electrons that make a line in the direction that is opposite to conventional current. However, in an alternating current circuit, the electrons move back and forth very quickly. In the UK, the electrons reverse themselves 50 times per second. This is the frequency of the current, which is expressed in Hertz. Faraday's law states that a changing magnetic flux on a looped conductor will produce a magnetic force that causes the electrons in the conductor to move. The strength and direction of the electromotive force, or the magnetic force, is determined by the strength and direction of the magnetic field and the velocity of either the magnet or the conductor. What this means is that when a coil of wire is introduced to a magnetic tube and spinned, that excites the electrons, causing them to move forwards and backwards, generating electromotive force, or voltage, which is determined by the speed of the coil and or the speed of the magnet. Since voltage is current times resistance, you also get the current from this process. The reason it is called alternating current is because the voltage goes up and then down like a sine wave. This is because the magnetic force goes the other way for half of the time in a 360 spin. Thanks for watching. If you found the video interesting, then leave a like and a comment, and if you want to see more from this channel, hit subscribe and hit the bell icon.